Hi everyone, it's Lauren. It is the end of the holiday season and hi sweetie. Here, baby. And I had a very busy morning trying to catch up with a few things and had a long list of things to do. One of them was getting a few things to the pantry, just replenishing things like salt, sugar, flour, things you don't usually run out, but I have. And just to get some things done so the weight of having things to do would be off my shoulders for a little while. So I started my day with a swim, and then after that I really started getting hungry. I didn't have any snacks with me, just my coffee. So I ran into Trader Joe's, which is very close by. So I thought, it would be a good idea for to share some of the things that I love to get from there, that I think they taste good, they are good quality, and the price is wonderful. Something that for the quality of the food and the ingredients that they have is healthy, and it makes everything taste good when you are cooking with them. Spices, some of the chicken broths, beef broths, some of the stocks that they have, they're really good quality, and I usually buy those things from Trader Joe's. So I was going to share some of those with you. And usually when I'm hungry and I run in there, I grab a yogurt, carrot juice, and a banana, and that's it. I get back in my car and start running my errands again, or get back home or go to a meeting. So I want to share with you some of the things that I think are really worth going to Trader Joe's and buying it from there. And this is usually what I do too. I ask my family members, my mom, my sister, or my mother-in-law, what they like to buy from Trader Joe's, so I can try new things. They're very health conscious like I am, and you just get tired of reading ingredients, and I just don't want to spend time looking for new things and reading all the ingredients. So I depend on their advice on what they buy, so I give it a try. Sweetheart, what's the matter? Just distracting. What's the matter? All right, I'm gonna show you what I usually get from Trader Joe's. What is the most Just want attention? Great place to pick up some fresh flowers. Always pick up their seasonal fruits this time of the year: oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and spicing things up. Garlic, shallots, onions are always nice to buy. And I usually walk into where they have small containers of juice and yogurts, and pile up a few of those in my cart. And when it comes to the frozen section, it's always great to have a few of these bags in your freezer, just in case you want to throw something together quickly. And I'm sure you have noticed from my previous videos how much I love to make my own snacks, trail mix, and just cheese and veggie trays. And they have a very nice cheese, crackers, saltines section that I usually stop and grab a few boxes. Okay, to start with vegetables and with fruits, I usually get my seasonal fruits from there. They have a great selection, great prices, different sizes, so you don't have to take home an entire large bag of apples or oranges. This time of the year, oranges, tangerines, lemons are must buy for me. I usually, dice them, add them to salads. Lemons, I squeeze them on salads and in my different sauces. Extra vitamin C, something we all need every day, but it's winter time usually, most important. So I bought this, and I picked up some tangerines, and I bought 2 bags of oranges, which I have already put them away because I had opened one and had one in the car. Of course, they're berries. They have organic and regular berries. I usually, with fruits, I buy some organics and some non-regular fruits. Like I got some organic apples because I usually just wash them really quickly and add it to lunch bags. But with bananas, I just get the regular banana. They have thick skin, so I don't think organic is necessary. But sometimes, like I said, I mix organic and non-organic. So these are the fruits: pink ladies, bananas, oranges, seasonal fruits. Are always a great selection. They're fresh, very well priced. I got a mango for salad for tonight, and of course blueberries and raspberries. I always buy onions and sweet potatoes and potatoes from there because I can individually pick the ones that I like. Again, organic and non-organic, and I use a lot of onions, just sauteing it, adding it to sauces and food, and I think it just it gives a great flavor and it makes the house smell so wonderful. And what else? Oh, and I also picked up an eggplant. I think I'm gonna make a beef stew later on. It's a very nice, and how you can tell it's fresh. It's a very nice firm eggplant, and you usually get a small size. It's enough for my family. So I either make eggplant parmesan or I make a beef stew. I think this one is going to be a beef stew for a couple of days. Same thing with cucumbers. I love cucumbers. Believe me, these are going to be consumed in 1 week. I add it to lunch bags, and also at lunchtime I usually have it like a nice little salad or a cucumber sandwich. And the way usually try not to handle them too much at the store. I just put my hand on them and make sure that they're firm, and that usually means they're very fresh. And these are absolutely fresh, lovely Persian cucumbers. So that is that. I also got their dry fruits are excellent. Cashews, almonds. As far as nuts, I always get their raw almonds and I soak them, and when they get soft I add it to snacks. Pitted prunes, delicious, especially if you're making chicken as a side dish. It's delicious and lovely. This one is already open because I had some in the car. And there's spices, very well priced. I was completely out of clove. I had bought one last year. I did a lot of cooking, and I also, when I want to have the house is smelling lovely, if I have made like fish at home, I usually add this with a little bit of lemon peels or orange peels, and it makes the house smell just heavenly. Garlic, either I have some with the tomatoes, either in a bag or diced garlic. I was out. This usually lasts in the refrigerator for months. If I'm out of fresh garlic, this is usually a good thing to go to. It's always in the refrigerator and it stays nice and fresh. So I got clove, I got my garlic, and hummus. They have so many different kinds of hummus, and this one is the regular organic hummus. It is delicious, full of flavor, great snack during the day for yourself or when the kids come home, with some sea salt pita chips. I had some in the pantry, probably the only thing that I still have some, but I usually get them. They come in a white and blue bag, sea salt pita chips, and those are really yummy. You can have it with the hummus, and it is delicious, delicious snack. So these are usually the things that I get Trader Joe's. And I also get tomatoes. They usually have very nice, fresh, small sized tomatoes, which are great to make a quick sauce with basil and garlic. And like I said, the vegetables, the fruits are always great to buy, and exotic fruits like persimmons and pomegranates. They always have it when the season is right for fruits like that. I hope this was helpful. I hope you've picked up a few new things that you want to try. I always love to try new things, a delicious new snack that I can add to our daily food, just make it exciting. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. You would be supporting us, and that would help me and encourage me to make more videos and share it with you. Thank you again, and have a wonderful day. See you soon.